Hello, welcome to Astronautics for Exploits. This is Dr. Ayoshola Ogundele. Novel concept of multiplanetary crew missions, facilitators of a future where humanity extends its presence beyond Earth and explore other planets. The focus points are as follows: multiplanetary crew missions goals and novel concept of multiplanetary crew missions. The concept of multiplanetary crew missions, a future where humanity extends its presence beyond Earth, establishing settlements and exploring other planets, live and work in multi-planets, has been envisioned for many decades by engineers, scientists, and space enthusiasts. The multiplanetary crew missions require complex architectures that optimize travel time, resource utilization, and crew safety. The goals are to understand planetary environments, potentially find evidence of past or present life, and ultimately establish human colonies on all the planets. Examples of multiplanetary crew missions, novel concept architectures, and spacecraft proposals are Mars-Ceres multiplanetary crew mission concept, Biosphere 2's Habitat, SpaceX Starship, Lunar Gateway, Advanced Multiplanetary Habitat System, Moon-to-Mars Strategy, high-tech Martian Spacesuits, and a host of others. These models have been pursued in preparation for the future multiplanetary crew missions in the universe. Biosphere 2 space analog for Moon and Mars is a research and habitat facility used to simulate Martian and lunar environments, helping to prepare for future long-term human missions to space. High-tech Martian spaceships are being developed to enable human exploration of Mars, addressing unique challenges such as low gravity, dust, low temperature, and the carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere. Multiplanetary crew missions goals. Multiplanetary crew missions aim to establish a presence beyond Earth, with a primary focus on Mars to ensure humanity's long-term survival and expand our knowledge of the universe. The missions involve complex scientific research, resource utilization, and the development of technologies necessary for sustained human habitation in space. Illustration of a future colonization of solar system is shown in this picture. The key goals are scientific research, technological advancement, resource utilization, human adaptation, long-term sustainability, and expanding human knowledge. Technological advancement. This is aimed at developing reusable launch systems, habitats, and life support systems for long-duration space travel. Artist illustration of space colonization. The hypothetical establishment of human habitats beyond Earth is illustrated in this picture. Expanding human knowledge goal is aimed at discovering the origins of the solar system, searching for life, and unlocking the mysteries of the universe. Human adaptation is aimed at studying the effects of prolonged space travel on the human body and mind and developing countermeasures. Mars transportation architecture in preparation for multiplanetary crew mission is illustrated in this picture. Novel concepts of multiplanetary crew missions are Biosphere 2's SAM's Habitat, SpaceX Starship, Mars-Ceres multiplanetary crew mission concept, Lunar Gateway as a stage point, Advanced Multiplanetary Habitat System, high-tech Martian Spacesuits, Martian Home and Lab on wheels, NASA's Moon-to-Mars Strategy. Mars-Ceres multiplanetary crew mission concept. The proposed mission envisions exploring both Mars and Ceres in a single journey, using Mars as a staging point in order to optimize fuel efficiency and reduce mission complexity. The plans envision a stepping stone approach, using habitats and infrastructure in cislunar space in order to ensure that regular missions can be possible someday. They also envision how regular missions to Mars could lead to permanent habitats on the planet's surface. Illustration of a Mars transit habitat is shown in this picture. The mission concept of Mars-Ceres multiplanetary crew mission consists of a human-crewed interplanetary transport architecture to explore Mars and Ceres, which is the largest body in the main asteroid belt, in a single journey. Through planning and international cooperation, the ambitious plan envisions a 4-year, 7-month expedition with 6 astronauts that could be ready to launch by year 2035. Artist's illustration of Mars-Ceres mission that will use Mars as a staging point to optimize fuel efficiency is shown in this picture. Biosphere 2 SAM Habitat, that is Biosphere 2 space analog for Moon and Mars, is a research and habitat facility used to simulate Martian and lunar environments, helping to prepare for future long-term human missions to space. It is a hermetically sealed pressure habitat that mimics the conditions on other planets. Artist concepts illustrating schematic diagram of the arrangement of components of Biosphere 2 is shown in this picture. SAM serves as a sandbox for testing technologies and procedures that might be needed for lunar non-Martian bases. It allows scientists to study how a closed self-sustaining system can support human life, including air purification, water recycling, and food production. The facility provides a realistic environment for practicing tasks that will be needed in space, such as using tools in the pressure suit and conducting extravehicular activities. Biosphere 2 coverage of a footprint of 1.27, including its 2 variable volume chambers, is shown in this picture. SpaceX Starship system, comprising the Starship spacecraft and Super Heavy rocket, is designed to enable human explore other planets, particularly the Mars, and is a crucial component of SpaceX multiplanetary mission. The company envisions using Starship for interplanetary travel, lunar landings, and point-to-point transport on Earth. SpaceX aims to make Starship a fully reusable transportation system capable of refueling in orbit. Illustration of SpaceX Starship crew mission to the Moon is shown in this picture. Future multiplanetary crew mission, that is the Lunar Gateway, which is being used as a staging point. The Lunar Gateway is designed to be a critical staging point for future multiplanetary crewed missions, especially those that are aimed at Mars. Its purpose is to serve as a platform for launching missions to the lunar surface, conducting research, and enabling extended stays in deep space, providing a valuable testbed for technologies needed for deeper exploration. Artist's concept of Gateway Space Station in orbit is illustrated in this picture. The Lunar Gateway is designed to be a critical staging point for future multiplanetary missions. The Gateway will be used to test and validate technologies needed for longer duration missions, such as those for Mars. Schematic diagram of Gateway Lunar Space Station is shown in this picture. Advanced Multiplanetary Habitat System is a complex modular system designed for long duration. Multi-crew space station, such as mission to Mars, the Moon, and beyond. It incorporates advanced technologies to support human life in harsh space environments, with a focus on efficiency and resourcefulness. The habitat is proposed to be designed with modular components that can be assembled on orbit or on the planetary surface. This allows for scaling up or down depending on the mission's needs. Multiplanetary habitat concept is shown in this picture. NASA's Moon to Mars strategy describes how NASA is establishing an objective-driven architectural review process in order to ensure efforts to develop, build, and achieve exploration activities. NASA seeks to develop a roadmap with input from a wide variety of US and global stakeholders. Moon to Mars exploration strategy is shown in this picture. High-technology Martian spacesuits are being developed in order to enable humans explore Mars, addressing unique challenges like the low gravity, dust, low temperatures, and carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere. A smart suit concept is being explored, featuring soft robotic actuators. NASA's Set-2 spacesuit prototype is shown in this picture. Martian Home and Lab on wheels refers to the concept of a self-contained mobile research and living facility on Mars, often envisioned as a rover or other wheeled vehicle with the ability to explore and collect samples while also providing habitat for astronauts. The idea of a Martian home on wheels suggests a vehicle that can move around, collect samples, and also serve as habitat for astronauts. Illustration of a pressurized rover on Mars is shown in the system. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploits. You've been listening to novel concepts of multiplanetary crew missions, facilitators of a future where humanity extends its presence beyond Earth and explore other planets, by Dr. Ayoshola Ogundele, with the focus points multiplanetary crew missions goals and novel concepts of multiplanetary crew missions. Thank you.